Welcome grade 6, how are you? Today we are taking about exploring the balance of data sets. Let's talking about this exam. Ashraf asked 7 of his friends how many books did they own. Make a dot plot as this figure. The number of books, 1 have a 1 book, and 2 has a 1 book, and 3 have a 1 book, and 4 have a 2 books, and 6 has a 1 book, and 8 has a 1 book. To making a balance between them, we can add 3 to 4 and add 8 to 7 and 6 and add to 2 to and added 1 to 2 and 7 to 6 and 6 to 4 and 3 to 4. Then the symmetric point in 4. Then we can know that the balance is 4. Another example, find the balance point of each of the following data: 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 10. So, in the first we can making 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 10. Second, we can making a balance 6 and 7 and 5 and 6 and 10 and 9. To making a balance 6 and 7 and 9 and 8, then the symmetric point in 8 or the balance point is 8. In fourth, we can making 6 and 7 to making 7 into to making 7 has 2 dots, and 9 in 8 to making 8 has 2 dots, and 9 has 2 dots. To make 1 dot in 8 and another dot in 8 from 9. Then the balance point is 8. Then the balance point of this data is 8. The second concept of this lesson is mean. What is the meaning of mean? What is the meaning of the mean? The mean is the sum of values over the number of these values. The sum of values of the first example, 3, 9, 5, 16, 7 equal 40. And the sum of values of the first example, 3, 9, 5 and 16 and 7 equal 40, and the number of value is 4. So 40 divided by 4 is 8. In the second example, 15.6, 9.2, 12.8 and 9.2. The sum of this value is 46.8, and the number of values is 4. So 46.8 over 4 is 11.7. Calculate the mean of the following data by using the balance point. Means as a balance when suppose Hani asks his friend how many toys they own. Hani reports his findings as a list of a data display, such as a dot plot where each dot represents one response. List 8, 8, 8, 9, 12. How can Hani calculate the mean of this data? Move 3. I have 3, 8 and 9 and 12. To making this data, I can balance in 9, and 9 is the point of symmetric, and the balance is 9 because when I put 8 in 9 and put from 10 in 9, the balance of the symmetric point is 9, and the mean also is 9. Calculate the mean of the following data using the balance point: 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 6. The point can be making the original dot plot 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 6, 6. To making a balance point, I suppose 6 very good, because 3 to 4 and 8 to 7 and 4 to 5 and 5 to 6 and 4 to 5 and 5 to 6 and 8 to 7 and 7 to 6. Then the balance point is 6 and the mean is 6. Another example, and the least example in this lesson: how can find the value of x if he given me the mean? I know the mean is the sum of values over the number of these values. Then to find the values of 3 and 7 and x and 8 from this data, the mean is 5. Then 3 plus 7 plus x plus 8 over the number of these values, 3 and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 4 equal 5. Then 18 plus x, then 18 plus x equal cross multiplication, or the inverse of operation, or dividing the another side by times. So 18 plus x equal 5 plus 4 equal 20. Then subtraction 18 from both sides, so x equal 20 minus 18, so x equal 2.